welcome back to my channel. So this is Kriti. My channel is by the name @the Kriti Sharma. You can follow me there, and I upload content related to fashion, style, photography, and I recently, I have started my YouTube channel since past 2 years, and due to some issues, I stopped uploading videos. But now I am back on my track, and I will try my level best to upload. If you wish to see any other content related to or any other, style related video or something, review video, you can let me know in the comment section below, or you can DM me over my Instagram page. I will definitely look over to your advices. So before we move on to our today's video, which is a huge haul, and I will be reviewing my favorite best pieces from the Fably and the recent I got from Fably. So, and in this video I'm going to cover everything related to the fabric, the prices, the best price, the best choice of mine from Fably. So before moving to today's video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, the Kriti Sharma. So let's dive into the video. So I'm gonna cover my best pieces and price basically, and if I miss price of any particular product, so I'm gonna link every price detail in the description box below. First item from Fably, which is my favorite, is this black floral frilled dress. If you can see, it has a turtleneck and a frill at the neck, and it has a zipper at the back, which gives you, since my body is peach shaped, so it goes best for the people who have peach shaped body. And this is basically, this whole fabric is georgette, and you have you have this small detailing over here, and it's all floral. So as I'm in love and my favorite color is black, so I got this dress in black. So this is in the size medium, and it's breathable. The fabric is pretty nice, and I got it for summer only, but unfortunately my summer is being spent at home. But no worries, I actually have worn it once. So the price I'm gonna link in the description box below for this. And so the next up is this peach colored, beautiful. As I tell you, I am in love with frills, and Fably is full of floral prints, full of frills. So that's why this is what I really love about Fably. So this is a peach colored, attention. It has a frill at this bottom, frill at this sleeves, and floral and a v-neck. It is, basically it's a short dress, size medium. The fabric is breathable as usual, print, and the pictures turn out to be pretty amazing, pretty nice. This gives you a very cute, sort of a feeling while wearing it. So yeah, let's see the. Since I'm going to cover many pieces in this video, if you have any questions related to any of the outfit I'm showing, so please drop your comments in the comment section below. I will try my level best to answer each and every query of yours. So next up is, let's get a hold of dresses, and now move to the recent buy of mine from Fably, which is basically the tops. So I have a huge, as you can see, I have huge collection of Fably. So the current one, top, I tell you, the first time I saw it website, मेरे को इतना प्यारा लग रहा था ये top कि मैंने इसको 3 colors में मंगा लिया. It has this, frill detailing. It's basically a crop top here, and it has this puffy sleeves which gives, dimension, and मतलब बहुत ही cute मेरे को ये लगा. It's in the shade, I think इसका tags हैं. तो the original MRP of this top is 1200, but I got it in 600, which is 50% off. And the fabric is georgette. I love the detailing, I love how cute it looks. And yes, if you have guessed it right, I am wearing its another color, which is black right now. So I'm wearing this black top, similar. It's like a puffy sleeves, gives dimension to your arms. I totally love it. The color I got it in is white. So one more thing, if you are looking for this similar top, आपको इसके बहुत ही variations मिल जाएंगे. Zara में मिल जाएगा, H&M में मिल जाएगा. Let me tell you, मैं आपको दिखा भी देती हूँ कि H&M का इसका same tan white, और बस इसकी sleeves full है. That top is costing 1300, and at Fably you will get in 600. I don't know if you can see the top is costing, I'm gonna link also, the smoke top is costing 1300 if you can see. So I think H&M, Zara best अगर आपको चाहिए तो I think you can go for Fably. The full sleeves are not looking as good, as cute. That's up to my opinion. Maybe every opinion is different, but I really love this, and if I'm getting it in 600, it's such a steal, I tell you. So yeah, I got these 3 tops. I know मेरे को बहुत प्यारे लगे, तो that's why I got the white, black and turquoise blue. So yeah, such a steal. Come back to my dresses obsession. So the prettiest dress I got from Fably is this pink floral dress. Floral. So this is the cutest dress. I'm so excited to show you guys the pictures of me wearing this dress. This is the cutest dress in my wardrobe till now. So it has full floral detailing and obviously a zipper at side, not at back, and a sort of a band to give more dimension to your waist. Floral and the frills at the bottom, if you can see. So this frill I am in love with the first time I saw this. So this was, I think, 1300 or 1400. This is in the size medium. All my dresses and all my tops are in the size medium, except for denim jackets, which I will show you, which is in size large, because definitely I need them oversized. And let's see the pictures of this. So guys, next up is I got this in winters denim jacket. So as usual, if you are my Insta family, you would be knowing I am obsessed and I'm so in love with denim. So I got this dress, and जब मैंने ये website पे देखा था, I was like यार ये चाहिए, because ये color भी बहुत unique, grey distressed, but I really loved it how that dashing and street style look it is, because my favorite style is street style. So I got this from Fably. So oversized, it's in size large, and it's a denim grey distressed denim jacket, and I think I have worn it in summers as well, and मैंने इसको light winters में भी पहना था. So you can, it's like, for me denim jackets are something I can pair it up in every season. So guys, next up is this formal and informal dress. It's a blazer dress basically, and you can wear it formally as well as to your meeting or brand event or something. I think it looks really very classy, and I think I've worn it twice, one to an event and other I think for the shoot, and I really loved how the print this is. It's basically striped blazer type of front with the buttons, if you can see, and it's in the size medium. So the next up is this top. It's a cute bow top. It has the, it's basically off shoulder, and it has the bow at both the ends of your sleeves, and it has a zipper at the back to give dimension to your body. And I think I've worn it twice or thrice. It's in the size medium and pretty much affordable. You can check the price in the description box below. And yes, हाँ, इस फैब्रिक का थोड़ा अगर आप समर्स में पहनोगे तो थोड़ा बहुत आपको इचीनेस, जिस तरीके का अभी दिल्ली में वेदर है उसमें थोड़ा आपको अनकंफर्टेबल लग सकता है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट जॉर्जेट और कॉटन, बट अदरवाइज आई रियली लव द डायमेंशन एंड हाउ क्यूट दिस टॉप लुक्स. Guys, I think I have shown you many pieces. It's just a reminder, if you like this video, please hit like to this video and subscribe to my channel. So there are few more tops and shrugs which I'm going to show. So this is basically a shrug. ये आपको ना winter department में मिल जाएगा on their website, and it's like a kaftan type, and this is size small. This fabric is georgette. It has this beautiful lace detailing all over. and it's very kaftan type का ये shrug है. It can be worn in summers as well and light winters as well. So वो है sleeves, and this is दूसरी sleeves. So it is like this. So I really love the fabric. I love the print, basically the pink and the floral, as you might have as you might have guessed till now. I love the floral prints and love the detailing as well. So next up is this cute white and pink, checked by Pusipo at the front, at your neck, and the frills, basically stitched frills at the sleeves. 1 2 3 both sides. I think Fably has my heart for the cutest design of tops, and भाई affordable भी है, तो I think it's a win-win situation for me. Few items का जो मैंने आपको अभी बताया कि fabric थोड़ा summers के लिए बहुत ही थोड़ा irritating हो सकता है, but apart from that कि I feel इतने प्राइस में द क्यूटेस्ट, क्योंकि आप भाई मैंने जैसे आपको भी दिखाया है H&M का या किसी और का भी आप देखोगे तो इट विल कॉस्ट यू ज़्यादा. गाइस, इफ यू लव द वीडियो प्लीज hit the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. But till then, keep safe and take care, guys, and stay indoors. And yeah, because the condition outside is not right as of now, stay indoors and yes, support and love to my channel.